Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus division and multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers 36, 22, 25 and 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve these type of rule at arithmetic expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. What will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. Similarly, addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first, addition or subtraction. If addition is coming first, so we will solve addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so we have to solve the subtraction first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have two brackets, this one and this one. First of all, we will solve first bracket, which is coming first. And this part we will write as it is. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. And here we multiply this part, 39 divided by 6. So divided by 9, we will write as it is. And give the reference here. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. Now move forward to solve the another bracket, which is 36 divided by 9. And here we will multiply 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. And either here we will give the reference 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. Because 9 4 the 36. Now we have solved all bracket. Okay, now we have solved all the brackets in our expression because this bracket does not contain any operation. So we can not say like this is the complete bracket. These two terms are multiplying each other. So now according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the exponent or power of any number. So we will solve this first number which has the power which is 1 upon 2, or you can say the square root. So square root of 4 equals to 2. So we will solve this one. And this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 4 root equals to 2. Now we have solved exponent part as well. So now we have to go solve division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression, left to right in our expression, and find out the multiplication or division. So here we have 5 multiplied by 4, which are multiplying each other using implied multiplication. So 5 4 the 20, and here we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. And now we have two terms which are adding each other, which is 20 plus 2. So the answer is 22. So the answer of the given expression is 22. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.